K9 disc brakes, 16-inch bao 9-speed, level 3. The K9 is an upgraded version of DAHON's classic K3 Plus model. Riding this bike, you'll become the most striking feature in the city. With its nimble frame and 349 wheel set, it offers outstanding performance, allowing you to zip through city streets and alleyways. As a fast and lightweight urban commuter, it delivers an unparalleled new experience of speed and agility. The bike features a lightweight aerospace-grade aluminum frame and front fork, combining durability and lightness. The frame's main beam uses an oval tube, which enhances rigidity and stability. The argon arc welding process ensures both aesthetic appeal and durability with exceptional quality. This bike is perfect for city commuting, daily travel, and recreational exercise. This bike incorporates multiple D-Velo patented technologies. DAHON's D-Velo technology further improves the rigidity of the entire bike and enhances the speed of all categories of bicycles. It has been featured in many leading international media outlets, including Forbes, Reuters, and PR Newswire, gaining widespread attention in the industry. Deltec. This innovative technology excels in safety, durability, and speed. It transforms the single-beam folding bike frame into a stable triangular structure, achieving the effect of a double-beam design. This reduces the load on the folding mechanism, increases load capacity, and significantly extends frame lifespan. Frame rigidity improves by 15%, effectively converting pedaling force into propulsion. The reinforcement system doesn't interfere with folding and integrates brake and gear cables for a clean and streamlined appearance. Super down tube. With a larger diameter, the down tube is flattened at both ends near the bottom bracket and main tube, significantly increasing coupling strength. Rigidity improves by more than 10% in both vertical and horizontal directions, enhancing pedaling efficiency and ease of riding. Combined with the Deltec system, the bike becomes safer and climbs more efficiently, even outperforming many road and mountain bikes in speed. BA Hinge. The 4-link structure ensures secure and reliable locking. The folding and unfolding process is simple, efficient, and quick. The hinge is made of forged aluminum, combining safety and aesthetics. Second-generation internal V handlepost. Made from forged aluminum with no welds, this column offers exceptional strength and durability. The square taper design increases rigidity, while the internal V-lock simplifies the structure and reduces weight. A newly designed safety hook automatically locks into place for easy and secure operation. The widened and hollowed clamp ensures a tighter and more stable lock, significantly improving rigidity and riding safety. Adjustable handlebar and saddle. The handlebar angle and height can be adjusted for a personalized riding posture. The extended aluminum seat post allows for a wide range of adjustments to fit riders of different heights. 9-speed DAHON system with clear, smooth, and precise shifting. Equipped with a 55T lightweight integrated chainring, paired with an 11 to 28T rear freewheel, providing a quick start and strong pedaling power for a smooth ride. Custom DAHON wheels for smooth lubrication and high-pressure tire compatibility, ensuring a stable and comfortable ride, even during rapid braking. Front and rear disc brakes offer excellent braking performance on both flat roads and downhill. The front disc brake is positioned on the right side of the wheel set, reducing the folding volume and saving space when stored. Folded dimensions. With over 40 years of history, DAHON's founder, Dr. Han, is regarded as the father of folding bikes. DAHON has been recognized by Guinness World Records as the largest folding bike manufacturer, holding over 500 international patents over the years, including industry-leading innovations. Most folding bikes worldwide incorporate 5 to 6 DAHON folding technologies, embedding DAHON's DNA. Choosing DAHON means choosing trust and quality. With DAHON's perfect folding technology, you're embracing a light, fast, stylish, and refreshing new lifestyle.